In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop people copying, downloading, or printing Google Drive files. We'll walk through the built-in controls that let you share a file so it can be viewed, without giving recipients the ability to take it offline or duplicate it. Start in Google Drive and locate the file you want to protect. If it's a Google Doc, Sheet, or Slide, open the file and click the Share button. If it's a PDF, image, or another file type stored in Drive, select it. Choose Share, or open the preview and click Share there. This opens the sharing panel where all the important settings live. First, decide who should have access. Under General Access, change Anyone with the link to Restricted to keep the file private. Then invite only the specific people who need it by entering their email addresses. Assign them the viewer or commenter role so they can read without editing. Next, lock down the ability to take the file out of Drive. In the Share window, click the gear icon in the upper right to open Settings. Turn off the option that lets viewers and commenters download, print, or copy your file. The wording may vary slightly, but it's the only toggle that mentions download, print, and copy. While you're here, consider turning off the setting that allows editors to change permissions and share, so no one weakens your restrictions without approval. Click Done to save. From now on, anyone with viewer or commenter access will still be able to open and read the file, but the download, print, and make a copy options will be removed from their menus. This applies across the web, mobile apps, and the Drive preview for non-Google files like PDFs and images. If a file was previously shared by link, reopen sharing and switch the link back to restricted. Review the list of people who still have access and remove anyone who no longer needs it. A few practical notes to keep in mind. These restrictions apply to viewers and commenters. Editors can still export or copy, so grant editing rights only to people you fully trust. The setting is applied per file, so repeat it for each item you want to protect. And while these controls block built-in download, print, and copy options, they can't stop screenshots or photos of the screen. So avoid sharing highly sensitive information unless necessary. When you're ready to loosen access, return to Share, open Settings, and re-enable the download, print, and copy option.